everyone, today we are going to prepare my favorite, lemon cake. This moist lemon cake is at the same time sweet, fluffy, tangy and so easy to make from scratch. Every bite of this supremely moist cake is loaded with fresh lemon flavor and together with the easy lemon glaze on top, it's so delicious that you will love every single bite. We start by making lemon zest. We would need 2 lemons to get 1 tablespoon of zest. Wash the lemon first to remove any protective wax and then grate it on the smallest opening of the grater. Just a light touch and make sure to rotate the lemon so you don't overgrate it. Going in too deep to the bitter pith or the juicy fruit will make the zest bitter. Our next ingredient is buttermilk, which makes the cake moist. To prepare this, add 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice into 1/4 cup of milk and stir it aside for the formation of buttermilk. Into the mixing bowl, add unsalted butter at room temperature and sugar. Beat it at medium speed until pale and fluffy, nearly about 4 to 5 minutes. And add the eggs one at a time and then the vanilla extract and beat the mixture. As it's mixed well, add the second egg while beating and then add the lemon juice. Don't be afraid that our cake would be tangy. It will not have that tanginess because of the other ingredients added in it. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. We now add the flour, not all at once, about a third at a time. Baking powder and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and beat the mixture on low speed. As it's mixed well, add the second batch of the flour and then add the buttermilk and mix until well combined. Add the rest of the flour and the prepared lemon zest now. Scrape the flour from the sides of the bowl and beat until well incorporated. Preheat the oven for around 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the baking pan and transfer the batter into the prepared pan. Level it off using a spatula and give a nice tap to remove any air bubbles. Bake it at preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes or until the cake is golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely. When the cake is cooled, we shall make the glazing. Into a cup of sieved icing sugar, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice bit by bit and mixing it well while doing so. The icing should be thick and not runny. Once ready, pour the icing over the cake and let it dry before serving. You could spread over the top with some slices of the zest. This yummy, delicious cake is a perfect cake for every occasion. If you like lemon desserts, you sure have to go to try this cake. And if you are not, I'm sure this recipe is going to change how you like lemon recipes. Hope you all like the recipe and will try it. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.